Here are two-letter words with their sentences. Words and sentences. At. 1. I am at home reading.
I am at home reading.
2. My mom is at home working.
My mom is at home working.
3. My dad is at home sleeping.
My dad is at home sleeping.
1. I am happy.
I am happy.
2. I am a girl.
I am a girl.
3. I am a student.
I am a student.
B. 1. Be kind to others.
Be kind to others.
2. Be a good student.
Be a good student.
3. Be happy with your parents.
Be happy with your parents.
Do. 1. I can do it.
I can do it.
2. I can do my homework.
I can do my homework.
3. Do you have a pen?
Do you have a pen?
Go. 1. Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
2. Let's go to market.
Let's go to market.
3. Let's go to your office.
Let's go to your office.
He. 1. He is my brother.
He is my brother.
2. He is a boy.
He is a boy.
3. He is my friend.
He is my friend.
If. 1. If you try, you will win.
If you try, you will win.
2. If you're going to school, call me.
If you're going to school, call me.
3. If you're tired, you can rest.
If you're tired, you can rest.
In. 1. The cat is in the box.
The cat is in the box.
2. My shoes are in my bag.
My shoes are in my bag.
3. The ball is in the room.
The ball is in the room.
Is. 1. She is very nice.
She is very nice.
2. He is my classmate.
He is my classmate.
3. My dad is a good man.
My dad is a good man.
It. 1. It is a sunny day.
It is a sunny day.
2. It is raining.
It is raining.
3. It is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Me. 1. Come play with me.
Come play with me.
2. Let me show you my room.
Let me show you my room.
3. Come with me for a walk.
Come with me for a walk.
No. 1. No, I don't want it.
No, I don't want it.
2. No, I don't have it.
No, I don't have it.
3. No, I can't give it out.
No, I can't give it out.
On. 1. The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
2. The cat is on the chair.
The cat is on the chair.
3. I am sitting on my bed.
I am sitting on my bed.
So.
1.
I am tired, so I will rest.
I am tired, so I will rest.
2. I am hungry, so I will eat.
I am hungry, so I will eat.
3. I am thirsty, so I will drink water.
I am thirsty, so I will drink water.
Up. 1. Look up at the sky.
Look up at the sky.
2. Look up to your parents.
Look up to your parents.
3. Get up and get ready for school.
Get up and get ready for school.
2.
1.
Let's walk to the store.
Let's walk to the store.
2. Let's go to my house.
Let's go to my house.
3. Let's go to market together.
Let's go to market together.
Us. 1. Come with us to play.
Come with us to play.
2. Come to us when you're hungry.
Come to us when you're hungry.
3. Stay with us for the meantime.
Stay with us for the meantime.
We. 1. We love to read books.
We love to read books.
2. We are friends.
We are friends.
3. We are students from the same school.
We are students from the same school.
My. 1. My dog is very cute.
My dog is very cute.
2. My clothes are dirty.
My clothes are dirty.
3. My food is cold.
My food is cold.
Of. 1. I am proud of my parents.
I am proud of my parents.
2. Beware of the dog.
Beware of the dog.
3. Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Now we have come to the end of this fun lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.